this thing can run Windows. Yes, this thing. Hello, I wanted to show you something. This is my old dusty friend. My main PC, 7 years or even 8 years old. Nothing special, 16 gigabytes of RAM, old i5 Intel CPU and SSD disk. Nothing fancy, I don't even have a graphic card. But this PC helped me to program many ESP32 devices, many Arduinos, and also helped me to make many YouTube videos. But do you know what I always missed on those motherboards? GPIOs. Yes, GPIOs. But thanks to Youyeetoo, now we have Windows PC have GPIOs, I2C ports, UART and similar maker-oriented stuff. LED on, LED on, off, on, on. So basically this is Arduino board that runs Windows. Okay, it is not Arduino board, but these are nice flowers. Yes, this tiny fellow runs Windows 11. Even this runs Windows 11. With this additional module I can power it with 12 volts, and with this USB-C port I can connect this expansion hub. So here I can connect mouse and monitor and Ethernet cable. And here we can see this tiny board is driving this monitor and running Windows 11. Sponsor of this video is Youyeetoo K1, and thank you Youyeetoo for sending me this so I can play with it while my daughter is playing in and it is very impressive what is inside. It is about same size as Raspberry Pi. I'll remove this, but believe me, this thing is much more powerful than this. I just tested using 4K YouTube video, and you can notice difference. Inside we have 16 gigabytes of memory, Intel N100 processor, 12th generation, and what is also really important, it have built-in hard drive, 256 gigabytes of fast hard drive. So instead of using SD card, we have a real hard drive. As you saw, it comes in two versions. This is core board, so if you are building your own device and you need power of Windows, if you want to drive large screens, if you want low power servers or something, or some your own device, you will probably need this. And if you need low power PC or a low power server, or I don't know, IoT device, if you want to hook many sensors or modules, or if you want to control some relays with powerful Windows machine, you will need this version with this carrier board. I will share links in the description, so feel free to check this device. You can find core board only or standard kit, which is core board plus this carrier board. of course, plus Wi-Fi and Bluetooth model and power adapter. You can choose version with 8 or 16 gigabytes of memory. And product have also wiki page, and on wiki page you can find instructions and some examples how to use GPIOs or I2C, and there are instructions how to use everything on this board on Linux system and on Windows, so feel free to check it out. I always wanted something that I can connect easily to my TV if I want to work in my living room, or if I want to work using large screen, or if I want to watch my own YouTube videos. And this is very good solution for tasks like that. So let's connect peripherals and let's see how this works. I already connected one LED to GPIO port, so we will also control this LED. It will be very exciting. I will connect only power cable 12 volts and HDMI because I will use Wi-Fi for internet and I will use Bluetooth keyboard and Bluetooth mouse, so minimal connection. And here is my setup. We have my Waveshare AMOLED 2K high resolution display. We have our Youyeetoo K1 board and Bluetooth keyboard and Bluetooth mouse. And I can use it as any other PC. So I'm running this 4K video of mine. And it runs very smoothly. I have only 15 drop frames out of 1000. So it works really good. Overall, very cool and very powerful. And I love it, to be honest. And I will probably move my server on this device. Sorry, Raspberry Pi. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you don't mind that I'm recording outside. I still don't have air conditioning in my house and it is pretty hot inside, so I'm recording on fresh air. But it is still hot. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Have a nice day.